Assalamualaikum. So they're being trained to do what now?
They're being trained to extricate the cars when they are crashed.
Ya, jadi kita ada 350 marshals, flag marshal, ada intervention pusher sama recovery mobile crane. Jadi dari IMI yang mengajarkan.
Ronnie.
Iya, the Secretary General.
Ronnie is the Secretary General of
IMI.
Of the IMI.
So if this happens, and then they pull right away.
If there is any risk of electrification somehow, it goes red, the car. If the car goes red, nobody touch it. Only the people specialized can touch the car.
Oh, no,
of course, 100%. Go ahead, Governor.
I'm not sure it fits me.
No,
I'm that
Everything
big.
fits you. Come on.
Gak apa ya?
Injak. Ya, injak.
Yes.
Nah.
You go all the way down.
Yes.
Now let me put this to you so you can. There we are.
But if we put the protection here, then you feel
Yeah, we'll
even
feel
more.
Let me try
You want to
protection.
try? Okay, the protection. Okay, let's put the protection. Wait a second, Governor. Okay, just be careful.
No. This needs to come all the way down.
All the way down, yeah. No, I don't want.
Perfect. Oh yeah, this is perfect.
Okay, turn
Now
it
I
down and go.
Yes.
It's tight, huh? Inside.
Very tight.
It's tight, but I can sense it is safe.
Not in.
Oh,
You feel
that's for sure.
protected. Okay, cool.
Cool.
Good.
We don't know if he's on or not, right? Because it doesn't make any noise, so we don't know if he's on. Accelerate. You're right up with me.
That is something. Okay, now
ready to go out?
let me out.
This way.
Oke.
It's yours.
Ya, bagus.
Pak, duduk di bangkunya itu, duduk di bangkunya.
Not easy.
Ya, berdiri aja situ.
You're doing
He's
very
also
well.
agile.
Yeah. Now there we go.
Udah di
Yes. Oke.
That's fantastic.
Yes.
Well done.
Oh.
Actually, I have never done that.